The journey of premium mustard oil begins here, amidst acres of vibrant yellow blooms. Inside these delicate pods, tiny seeds mature, holding the key to the golden liquid.
Modern harvesting machinery gathers the crop at the peak of maturity for optimal yield.
Threshing mechanisms gently separate the valuable seeds from the chaff and stalks.
Streams of nutrient-rich seeds are collected, ready for transport to the processing facility.
Fleets of transport trucks carry the harvest to industrial processing centers immediately. Upon arrival, every shipment undergoes rigorous weight checks and documentation protocols.
The raw seeds are unloaded into intake pits, beginning their transformation process. Screw conveyors efficiently transport the raw material into the facility's main storage silos.
Before processing, the seeds must pass through a multi-stage cleaning system. Vibrating screens separate stones, twigs, and foreign matter from the mustard seeds.
Magnetic separators remove any ferrous metal contaminants from the seed stream. Test owners utilize air currents and density differences to isolate heavier impurities.
Conditioners heat the seeds to optimal temperatures, preparing them for oil extraction.
Precise thermal control releases natural enzymes essential for the oil's distinct pungency.
The conditioned seeds are now ready to enter the mechanical pressing stage. Rows of mechanical expellers apply immense pressure to the conditioned mustard seeds.
Inside the chamber, a rotating screw forces the seeds against a steel cage.
Under pressure, the seeds release their oil, which weeps through the cage slots. The remaining solids are extruded as mustard cake, a protein-rich byproduct. The crude oil collects in troughs below, ready for filtration and purification.
Technicians monitor the crude extraction to ensure consistent yield and quality. Powerful pumps transfer the crude oil to the next phase of processing. The oil enters large pressure leaf filters to remove remaining solid particles.
Microfine mesh screens trap suspended sediments, clarifying the golden liquid.
African-American female operators observe the sight glass to confirm the oil achieves perfect clarity.
Periodically, the filtration units are cleaned to maintain optimal flow rates.
The clarified oil is pumped into stainless steel holding tanks for settling. Advanced automation systems govern the flow and pressure throughout the facility.
Pneumatic valves react instantly to central commands, routing the oil efficiently.
Insulated piping maintains the oil's temperature during its transit to storage.
In the laboratory, samples undergo rigorous testing for purity and composition.
Refractive index tests verify the oil's authenticity and density profile. Gas chromatography analyzes the essential oil profile and pungency levels. Visual inspections ensure the signature golden hue meets consumer standards.
Approved batches move to the high-speed bottling line for final packaging.
PET preforms are heated and blown into bottles just moments before filling.
Rotary fillers inject the exact volume of oil into each container.
Precision nozzles ensure a clean fill with zero waste or spillage. Automated cappers seal the bottles instantly to preserve freshness and aroma.
High-speed labelers apply the branding and nutritional information to every bottle. Laser coaters etch batch details for complete production traceability.
Vision systems inspect every unit, rejecting any with fill or cap defects.
Robotic arms group the bottles and place them into shipping cartons. Cartons are sealed and labeled, ready for palletization. Palletizing robots stack the cartons with geometric precision for stability. Stretch wrapping secures the load, protecting the product during transit.
The finished goods enter the massive warehouse, organized by production date. Forklift operators manage the inventory, preparing orders for distribution.
Pallets are loaded onto trucks and containers for domestic and international markets.
Security seals ensure the product remains tamper-proof until it reaches the retailer.
From the fields to the factory, the journey of premium mustard oil is complete.
Friction generates the heat necessary to release the oil effectively.
Heavy-duty gearboxes drive the presses with unrelenting torque.
A final polishing filter ensures the oil is brilliantly clear and stable. Digital flow meters track the production output in real time. The consistent flow of bottles represents a perfectly synchronized production line.
The final product is a testament to precision engineering and natural purity. Logistics are the heartbeat of the operation, keeping the factory supplied.
Dust extraction systems keep the processing environment safe and clean.
The turbulent flow of crude oil heads towards the purification stages.
Precision scales verify the specific gravity of every batch. Inventory turns over rapidly, meeting the high demand for this kitchen staple.
Pure, pungent, and perfect. This is the standard of modern mustard oil production.